about the pretty basic discussion on Butterworth filter. It is not this.
So, okay, good morning to all. So, I am going to give an intro about design thinking where we use in many projects now in our SNS. So, as we know, DT is nothing but a problem solving approach where we can give a proper solution to customer with 5 steps. Can anyone say what are the 5 steps?
Empathy,
Define,
idea, prototype.
So, the first step of this design thinking is empathy, where we can feel from and we can get the feedback from the customer's perspective. Where are they getting affected on the fields? In ECG, in empathy part, we know that the main problem in this current world is noise in terms of ECG. So this is the customer's perspective where we can't get accurate answer to anything. So this is the empathy part. So in next we define in overall problems we choose. We only select the one major problem which will turn or revolutionize the world. So in IDA we give more ideas. As we know, in ECG we use the Butterworth filter and many responses to get output. So this is the ideate part. In prototype, while implementing the design part and the simulation part, and by using the MATLAB, we can give a brief prototype by reducing the noise separations. And in test and evolve, we are going to test with the help of biomedical engineers to next level and to get evolving the world. So the empathy part is nothing but the ECG signals are not good at first. So now the more number of noises are produced, we know that 1000 hertz of noises coming in this ECG signal. So we can't get a perfect output. So many medical errors are occurred due to these ECG signals. So to rectify it, we are going to give a better idea and better solution in the basis of the design thinking approach. Next is define part.
Defining the core problems based on ideas. How can we convert the filter? First, we design the filter. First, we have to find order of the filter. Before we know that, we have to know the value of cutoff frequency and passband frequency, and we find normalized polynomial Butterworth filter and cutoff frequency. And last, we have to convert analog signal into digital signal. In this, there are two types. They are bilinear transformation and impulse invariant transformation.
Yes, well said, the defined part. As we use the cutoff frequency and order of the filters, by using this passband frequency and cutoff frequency, we could interrelate or correlate with mathematical polynomial normalization method, and with the help of bilinear transformation and the impulse invariant response. Next is ideate part.
Exploring various techniques of filters and selecting the best approach from it. Then comparing the Butterworth filter, Chebyshev and elliptic filters, and choose the Butterworth filter for its smooth output response. Then for its best performance, choosing the Butterworth filter and move to next step testing.
Prototype. In first, MATLAB is used overall. The frequency, analyzing the frequency of signals, higher level or lower level, it is in a digital level. And if we see and I think it is mainly used in ECG. It is used in hardware and it is converted into digital signal. It is used in biomedical fields and many others. And then use of feedbacks. And use of feedbacks are mainly used in biomedical areas and used in doctors. The mainly doctors use in stethoscopes. Stethoscopes are the low level of signals converted as high level of signals. By using some sensors, it is analyzed by using of MATLAB. MATLAB is very important to the use of doctors and biomedical fields and many other areas. And use of feedback is interesting complicated to use it analyzing signals. It is a low level signal, kernel to high, it is a very complicated process.
Next is the testing part. Verify the implementation, verify the effectiveness on implement filter. There are three types in testing part. First measuring the real time frequency and the noise reductions. Second, to testing real time performance on live ECG signals. Third, refining parameter based on given result type to improve efficiency and accuracy. These are the testing part.
Yeah, as we have discussed about the design thinking approach for the design of a Butterworth filter, we are using ECG in very critical things. To mainly measure the heart ranges of a patient. In this, ECG is a high frequency noise signal, which has many noise due to some parameters like temperature and surroundings, etc. To remove the noise from these signals, we are going for the signal processing. In that, we are using filters to remove the unwanted noise basically. In that, there are many types of filters as we discussed about the design of a filter, occupied order, and using changing the digital to analog and analog to digital. And as we said, we are using many types of filters, optical filter, Butterworth filter, and etc. In this Butterworth filter is chosen. We have chosen the Butterworth filter for the smooth output and accurate output. Optical filter, Butterworth filter, and etc. In this Butterworth filter is chosen. We have chosen the Butterworth filter for the smooth output and accurate output. The Butterworth filter is mainly we are using for the removal of the noise in the ECG signal, which will be helpful for the giving an accurate output of the ECG of a patient signal.
Thank you.